welcome back to another video. I'm going to be doing a dip. I haven't done a dip in a while, and I enjoy doing them, and I like the effects and stuff that you can get. So I'm going to be doing another dip today. Okay, so I'm just putting my gloves on. The canvas, I've taped up the back and I've put push pins in, and I have I've marked off on the table where the canvas is going to be, just the size and the shape of the canvas. So we are going to put down a base coat. So I'm going to put black. Like that. And now I'm just going to use a palette knife just to smooth this out and just cover the area. Sorry, my voice. Just cover the area that the canvas is going to be in. Okay, and now onto that we are going to be adding random colors. I've got quite a few colors here, so and some of these colors are neon colors and others are metallics, so it'll, you know, be very pretty when it's dry with all these different colors in it. At least I hope so. You always hope when you do a painting, you just hope it turns out the way you want it to. But this is very bright. Look at that. It looks beautiful. So just adding a whole lot of different colors. And I think some of this. That's another metallic-y color. Come on. And the last color I think I'll put is this one. Okay, well that is very bright and colourful. I'm actually maybe missing a little bit of colour over there, so just I think that'll be fine. Okay, now we are going to put our canvas down into the paint. Now you don't want to push too hard because you don't want to just push all the paint out from under the canvas. We just want to make sure it's all covered. Now these canvases have a board underneath, so you know, rubbing over this now with a palette knife isn't really going to work because it's a board. So I'm just pushing down a little bit. Hopefully it works. And the sides. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Now we're just going to lift it up, straight up. Okay, I do have some bald spots here in the middle, so I'm going to re-dip it. Just push down into the middle again and lift. Okay, there we go. It is now covered. Well, that is very pretty. That is very pretty. I'm going to show you quick what this looks like. There are some bubbles and stuff. I'll get to them now. Let me just hit it with a heat gun. Okay, well, that is very pretty. And I can see the metallics. I can see a lot of metallics, so when this dries, it's actually going to be very pretty. It's going to have a nice shine to it. So let's quickly dip the sides. Okay, next one. Dip. Perfect. Next one. Dip. Perfect. Last one. Dip. Okay, just make sure that everything is covered. That is fine. There we go. Wow. Okay. I want to actually move this to the side. Wow. I mean, that is so pretty. If I can dry that, I can use so much of that, you know, to make my pendants and stuff. So I'm going to try and save that and dry it. So I'm going to bring you down and show you what the painting looks like. Hold on. So here it is. Look at that. Look at the patterns and colors. Look at that. With a couple cells. I don't know. I don't know why they are cells, but it doesn't matter because it just adds to it. Oh, that is so pretty. Absolutely stunning. Look at these colors. I really like that. I don't know if I prefer it to my other painting. I will see when it dries. Like I said, there's a lot of metallics in here, so yeah, this painting I'm just going to have to wait to see when it dries. I do like it a lot. I just want to see it dry. So yeah, and this, look at that. Look at the table. Look at these patterns. I mean, I can use this on other projects. It is so pretty. Look at that. So, I mean, even the table is pretty. I could even re-dip now. I could take another canvas because there's still quite a bit of paint on the table. And I can re-dip, but I'm not going to. I'm going to save that for pendants. So, yeah, there we go. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. Look. I mean, really pretty patterns and designs. And that is the thing with a dip. The easiest thing in the world to do. And you'll never get two that look the same. They all look completely different and unique. And absolutely beautiful. So there we go, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. I will be back tomorrow afternoon for another one. So join me tomorrow for another painting. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you in the next one, everyone. Bye.